Post-pandemic traveler, Pompeii part 3. So this is where we're at, the amphitheater, which is basically a sort of Colosseum-like structure. Amphitheater with chairs and stuff around it, and these really cool tunnels. So have a look at that. Oh, it's nice to be in the cool of the shade and the cool of the tunnel, I have to say. Please remember, if visiting Pompeii, bring your sunscreen. If you have an umbrella, bring it. No one is going to look at you funny if you're trying to cover yourself from the heat. And hats are advised. And comfortable walking shoes. Oh, so last time I came here, you could actually go down here and see all these different pictures of different things. It's quite annoying that they've locked everything off today. They even have on one side pictures of people who have, from what I remember, of artists that have come and played here. So Pink Floyd, amongst many, have actually come here and played a concert in this amazing amphitheater. Oh, what's up there? Let's go for a wander. So maybe a little bit of me talking for a while. So a few suggestions for if you come to Pompeii. Buying a ticket from the people outside the actual Pompeii venue. There's some stores that say skip the line, buy your tickets here. If the line's really short at those guys, I'd buy the ticket, paid a couple of extra dollars, help the economy, help the stores. But if the lines are quite long for them, just go into actual Pompeii itself and you can buy your tickets there. Also, I can't stress enough, wear comfortable clothes, wear sunscreen, hat, sunglasses, and really comfortable shoes. And bring water, because or at least a bottle. There are lots of places where you can fill up your bottle, but places to buy things, not so much. Okay, so what do we have up here? Nice little spot to have a picnic. Oh. Okay, so I think that's where I came from, and I could have just walked over here and down there, but that's not where the path goes. So, oh yeah, get yourself a map. Get yourself a map, pay attention, learn how to read it. It will save you a whole lot of walking backwards and forwards in the heat and the sun, which will, at the end of the day, you'll be grateful for trying that. All right, once again, post-pandemic traveler, peace out from Italy, Italia.